When it was first introduced in 1993, the Mark IV Supra quickly established itself as a formidable competitor in the world of sports cars. The car's advanced technology, powerful engine options, and sleek design allowed it to take on some of the most powerful supercars of its time. Spoiler alert, it came out on top. But it wasn't just the car's performance that earned it the title of legend. The car's popularity amongst car enthusiasts and racers, as well as the appearance in movies such as The Fast and the Furious, helped to establish the Supra as one of the most iconic and legendary cars in the history of the automotive industry. Join us as we delve into the story of how Toyota's Mark IV Supra became a legend in the world of performance cars, its impact in pop culture, and the lasting legacy amongst car enthusiasts. Welcome to Rockers Drive Club. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this story. Chapter 1. Power and Performance. The technology and engineering behind the Mark IV Supra. What was it about this car that made it so special? The Supra had a history dating back to the 1970s, and over the years, it had established itself as a solid performer. But the Mark IV took it to a whole nother level. The car was powered by either a naturally aspirated or a twin-turbocharged 3-liter inline-six that produced 320 horsepower, which was a significant increase over the previous generation. The naturally aspirated variant produced 217 horsepower with an engine designation of 2JZ GE. Meanwhile, the turbocharged variant was called the 2JZ GTE. This engine was designed to be powerful, reliable, and efficient, and it was paired with advanced technologies such as variable valve timing, or VVT, which helped to improve the car's performance and fuel efficiency. The VVT system allowed the engine to adjust the timing of the valves. But that's not all. The engine was also equipped with a twin turbocharger that helped to increase the horsepower and torque of the engine. Chapter 2. Racing Legacy. We explored the birth and technology behind the legendary Mark IV. But it's not just a car. It's also a racing legend. It's a legend that dominated the tracks and established a reputation as a formidable competitor. The car's advanced technology and powerful engine options for the time made it a favorite amongst racers and car enthusiasts alike. The Supra's reputation as a formidable competitor on the track was solidified by its performance in various motorsport events such as the All-Japan Grand Touring Car Championship, the 24 Hours of Le Mans, and the Super GT Series. The Supra dominated the competition, winning the championship for 4 consecutive years from 1996 to 1999. The car's performance in this championship helped to establish the Supra as one of the most successful race cars of all time. The Supra also made its mark on the international stage, competing in the 24 Hours of Le Mans and the Super GT Series. The car's performance in these events helped to establish the Supra's reputation not only as a competitive race car, but as a reliable race car. The Mark IV Supra's racing legacy is not just limited to its on-track performance. It's also a fan favorite for drifting and time attack events. Its balanced chassis and powerful engine made it one of the best cars for enthusiasts to tune and modify to their liking. Chapter 3. Designing an Icon. The evolution of the Mark IV Supra's styling and design. The Mark IV Supra was designed to be a true sports car, with a sleek and aerodynamic design to set it apart from its competitors. The design team at Toyota wanted to create a car that was both visually striking and functional. They accomplished this by incorporating several design elements, such as the car's low, wide stance and its sleek aerodynamic lines. The car's front fascia featured a sleek and aggressive design with sharp lines and a wide grille that helped improve the car's aerodynamics. The car's side profile was also sleek and aerodynamic, with a long hood and a short rear deck that helped to improve the car's balance and stability. The car's rear was also unique, featuring a sleek and aerodynamic spoiler that helped to improve the car's stability at high speeds. The car's taillights were also a standout feature, with a unique design that helped to set the car apart by giving the losing competition something to mesmerize over. Okay, I made that part up. The car's interior was also designed to be functional and stylish, featuring a number of advanced technologies and materials that helped to improve the car's performance and comfort. The car's seats were designed to provide balance between comfort and support, and the car's dashboard was designed to be intuitive and easy to use, but also driver-centric. Chapter 4. The legacy lives on. The Mark IV Supra's enduring legacy among car enthusiasts. Today, the Mark IV Supra is used in a number of different motorsports, including drag racing and drifting. The 2JZ GTE motors were over-engineered and has proven more than capable of handling upwards of 1,000 horsepower with stock internals, but don't expect it to last very long. Overall, it's pretty difficult to find a Mark IV Supra for sale affordably, as it's highly sought after. These cars are being sold for nearly $200,000. This leaves it pretty much unattainable for most, but makes it more of a collector's item even if you hate to see it. If you enjoyed this film, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button, and comment some things that you love and hate about this car.